Hi everybody, and welcome to a taster for our series of webinars from the European Society of Paediatric and Neonatal Intensive Care. My name is Dr. Ellie Atkins and I'm a clinical psychologist. I work at a hospital in London in the UK in intensive care, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what might help you in your role as a member of staff. These are the topics we're going to cover. The first one is going to be about why bother with staff support and wellbeing in a time when we're all so busy. How can we find the time to do it, and why should we? Then we're going to talk about re-energising and taking care at this time. And we know that particularly at this time, it's quite tricky for healthcare staff, and particularly for those who are working in intensive care. And we know that in different countries, numbers are going up and down. And we want to help you to think about, how do I keep my energy up as things go along? We've been talking a lot about how the journey of coping with coronavirus and with COVID is a marathon, not a sprint. I actually think it's probably better described as a relay race with lots of different stages, and there are different challenges for us at different stages. Keeping our energy up and taking care of ourselves and coping are some of those challenges. So the third one will be about the increasing challenges at work and how we might cope with them. We're then doing one on grief and bereavement, and we're aware that staff are both managing more death than they might in their normal run-of-the-mill job, and also because you may be experiencing grief and bereavement outside of work. We're going to then cover why am I stressed, what's happening and what I can do about it. We're going to talk about supporting your team, and we hope this one will be useful both if you're a manager or a leader of a team, but also if you're a member of a team and thinking about ways that you can help your team. And then we're going to do an interactive session, which is your chance to ask questions and to talk to us about what's going on for you and how we might be able to give you some information that might be helpful. So do follow us on social media. There are lots of different ways that you can get involved. It would be really good to kind of have communication from you as we're doing this webinar series. And if you've got any questions, please write to us at this email address. We'd really like to hear or queries or things that you'd like us to be covering. We're really looking forward to seeing you for some of the webinars that we're running. So keep checking out the website and you'll be able to find them soon.